Abusian, GoldBod CEO Sammy Gyamfi. $279 million US I had man said. On fendi good ja, non fan for some brand and fancy straw my Ghana. Send your mind.
Ebusian for aha Ghana TVGH. Mestre will like it, comment, subscribe it, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature, yeah, put out some kebi. Ebusian for won't say we are see we on. She in sequel. Everything that happens on. Our reason binti na esi. Yeah. Last year, Agrada, any Sammy Gyamfi, ekonya encounter bi. Na sa encounter nemo no, Agrada bisa Sammy Gyamfi ska. Sammy Gyamfi ko ne car mo, na see the bia ne car mo, na ye dollars nko an. Mbeka ya. Na ye nyina ye timi hu se dollars a na Sammy Gyamfi ka ye no, edo super. Ye koka no, NDC for abe propaganda because also they have bought the media and media for also work omonutum. For little did we know say allegedly no not knowing sika ye di share budget mu ema GoldBod no and who sika no na Sammy Gyamfi chili ebusian for last year ye di $279 million US nkofo bebre mo abrochi de omunim ade aye $279 million US Eddie ma Sammy Gyamfi say fakoto sika koko never ye business Sammy Gyamfi ti mi gi sasika no eko ye ba ye say akoboka ebusianfo ye nti sasem ni bi die e wo ya bradom say utimi to sika koko ye gold etimi boka ma Sammy Gyamfi nkwan de o si wakwa boka not knowing no sika ye dia ma Sammy Gyamfi say sika we no fakoto gold e fa business e wo GoldBod honum no allegedly no or the sika no the year award ceremonies. And to make a last year, GoldBod for Sammy Gyamfi me year award ceremony, e man who award nyina. Juma ye dia show nse no, won to me year juma no. Usama who award. Usama who award for no work done. As at September last year. Naska a car ma bow GoldBod hona nye easy. It is $279 million a year taxes John mama dia ma say fako ye business ne scanu won na se wo de scanu crack or ye award ceremony say bi beka ni aka no scanu won Sammy Gyamfi asa mo mu bi de mu kai say you are young go Sammy Gyamfi you are young unya dey 40 years yana. How many years are you willing to go and spend in prison? Now, Mukai says, your mama, mu yes, the area, or they are old. They know that they are closer to the grave. But Sammy Gyamfi, the rest, you know that you will be with us for a very long time. When you say MP4 bar, Saskanyina, you will cough it out. You will cough it out. And they are near far grow to you will cough it out. Now, one person will cough it out, and the bed in some holiday, a bear second home. But Danny is our prison or hometown. And see, Sammy Gyamfi, every penny of this nation that has been given to you to do anything, you will have to account for it. And we are not going to hear any please, any for sorry, any forgive me, no mercy for the cripple. And I'm telling you, for let's go and listen to where my source is, and I'll tell you, say, look, my way on. Interesting this I can say I got 2 years 10 months and see we are in for a very long ride. You can support this show using the number on the screen. Yeah, guys, send me a mumu. Upesoka cemetery and so Fafa WhatsApp mommy. I'll quickly respond. Madam Wasi. Bye-bye.
Nebetimi atu mpo akọ na nim no o de sika na ego atopre Sammy Gyamfi asese sika no e de organize awards yes o de sika no akoto award o de ato abodin agu ne kom na asefem of all the challenges amane ne abebresa Ghana fo kom ye nuanu mo mawie the various tertiary institution na omunya adwuma nya o mabra abo asesa ye maame no ne ye papa no koku akuafo a yato mu koko for 3 months ni entu omoka abo bebre yare ama bi afem wawu Yenuanum nurse for midwives, teacher for my adwuma for over a year. Yentu omuka omakatua kebu bepemene. Audit service staff, security service, omo ye adwuma wuma, omalawa the entire 2025 yentua ene omudi abeni of all these challenges. Sammy Gyamfi say or finding a prudent say isika e de man is on fendi gold dwa no or they be organize awards or they be to award na ne ye mabufu ne say wo Sammy Gyamfi few months ago ana sika ye de ma wo se fendi gold dwa okọ ka $214 million US. Eno yenka ho asem nwie wasia sesa sika kakra na aka no e de akwa akoto awards nyanse bia mba wutirimu se sika na aka no wodi be ye adwuma a ebeboa Ghanafo abusia over the weekend ana omo ye radio television personality awards RTP awards na awards no omo award Sammy Gyamfi as best CEO in 2025 na asefem say sa award no e Sammy Gyamfi GoldBod and almost says sika edi organize edi sponsor sa award no enti anwomtofo ebeto nyum wase enuane ayedi wase ensa yenom wase enwum ayebo wase bibia ekoso bia Sammy Gyamfi ye gold sika and the sponsor e ode ye and owie omasia ama na award say in 2025 ono any best CEO obi a waboka o bodi kokodwa bodi sorry sika kokodwa aboka. The first person in history wato sika koko akoton aboka yasian man award eso on any best CEO because wa bribe microphone yesika and they organize awards no na saade we nyansa be ne wom emebu na to abama NDC say mo ba no mo ba be 24-hour economy na mabu o manya nyuma ye how is spending such monumental amount of money on such useless awards going to give them job. Ye nuanom ye maame nom ye papa nom omo mugu nkran ya omo kwa adwuma anopa obi betimi agina ho 3 hours no nya ka omo pon adwuma nso asa obi betimi agina ho 4 hours no nya ka. How is investing in such useless awards going to solve transportation crisis and see what greater crap? And you see these people omo fa Ghanafo nya hwe say arrogance of power and omo this kanyafu and Sammy Gyamfi is filthy rich. Sammy Gyamfi is a billionaire all of a sudden. Ene kasa wotwi kasa kesi wotwi ene ne yire no vacation akesi a woko Sammy Gyamfi na ma cash on wheels sika dollars egu ni kam enya asem ketwa a wo de cheche small boy a on bobra onya adwuma bi ada e wo ne na brabo mo bae aside GoldBod before so be ye GoldBod CEO na adwuma Sammy Gyamfi aye a position wo soro pam eye PA to Kwadwo Bonsu Accra mayor eno ni position a wanya na e wo soro kakra eno ahina ne yetua no but then Sammy Gyamfi is future richer Ghanafo sika ha no mu di ni nyafu eno ombu ade nso nka ho omu ade na no gbegbegbe osori a na o kan sem hunu na o kwatre TV so na o kan sem hunu wa ma Ghana ya boka $214 million US wasan asese sika kakra na aka no e de akwa organize awards Ghanafo Ghanaians are not angry enough and they are looking on for such people to rape the purse of Ghana. Omu di Ghana sika area Ghana sika ebo Ghana from. We are looking on for Akron way to rape the purse of Ghana. And everybody is quiet because Sammy Gyamfi sika na wodi no. But pony who be edi ama ensentrefo. Nti oma komano atu mene ensentrefo ne defend Sammy Gyamfi ni GoldBod. Sammy Gyamfi abribe civil society organization nyina. Steve Mante ya onu nyina ene. Empanifo a omotrimu wodwen. Adane enkoda wo mu defend abobo nsete se eye Sammy Gyamfi but the minimum Ghanafo have conscience and 2028 they will punish NDC and the day NDC
pie no betumi abo mu din bon water crade wo hu nti sa nyimpe wo dey appoint kran si takwade say ye to abo bia beto because of nyoma bi o maaye me ka say Gladys Asma sa time na me water crade Gladys Asma fa youth for ekogu hairdressers eto to dries Nyo opeso shia de pam omo sika omo to machines ni eyi the same thing okobi ono so baye no obeto aso wo it is hard to say ye MPC ni like ministers fro bi ni eyi na decide ni ye ya nka bra flips nka ye embrace o nka ye embrace but ye nye painful bi omo to say omo sta it is a chisel ya to abani momu wie kremu konya soro hotna pe na maya yi Indi Gabriel mo ani oga na me the American say mpanyfo na from a chairman to a secretary for na omugugugugu ho omo me de ka me kwa yen saki omu ina because omu nyina omo ba ye hu mfaso bia ye nya amfi omo 2024 me hu election bia se bia koye sampanyfo be hu so omu gina baby krampo anasa omu nam different part kra ye campaign de boa doctor Joma ni man is almost the land cruise no much so pay to say sabo double ne mba. No mu nyina inse say obi be ko baby obi be fa ha obi be fa ha mu nyina chese yes ye hu ye hi keke. Omu be fi sa ba no kwa ye wo mi no sabi ti say jo obi be kan say ye di sika nyafunyafu obi wo nche obi fi say eye no kre. Nti me de me kan no kwa say ye see album na ye be sesa ebe ma say pepepe yo beba monsesa no. Say no soon a baby or horse and moye be fees a muye munye bibia finchum na me pay for no mugu de nyamisen ko muwe he be a year because of 2024 election na moye ye krampa se be ye wo amanane bra frames de bia de na yam ye ntimi de me say am papa na me ye me say nya minshap because sika ye pompe ko Ghana pa almost 200 and something me MPP mba pa wo me nye post bia wo almost 300 and something said me di ko me busu am di ko ye me project anka benya bibi ye pompe sa sika ne de buy e boa omo wo ase se mo fa nko na mo mpanyfo ni sika ne bi hihya mo nche mo pese mo be pompe sika ne bia if you kwampo Ghana fo ye omo ebi no TikTok inka panyin bi pom face na ni so say oh every month ana say bia mpo 200 Ghana bi me fa mo na mo nyina say be omo kan omo nye but omo propose dia na omo aba abonte say omo be yi sika me say painful no ho nyam yes sake omo nyina de obeba obetumi abo MPP a nyame ya adu doctor betumi aba power me say me MPP ba power me propose bia wo but eye me de ebe ma me kura ase obi ho no ne ho beto no it is a painful no omo go na omo nye omo adwuma yes sake omo nyina nfi ho na enfa yin papa pambra na ye ho ntoi ma no ato
Medasi sabra medasi pa. Bacho the course one say by March na polling station agent for no na polling station post no omo aduma be wiye na de bi no mo kan say yen yusu album dada na one year to abano ma omo na wo so no enye de ebeba ne say the ripple effect and they say still maintain and ebebem and places are ebe ye tete so say penifo bi so ka say MPs no e bi nko on no post na there this time around no yem penema obi mbesa anwea emfingu Dr. Bawumia egarim say Dr. Bawumia moma no eco contest ono kra na omadi nkande na akwa as president no mama ye de ne contest ma ye tete ne na mo we de a na ndi obi bia ni wa ye be maintain ye maintain ba akokra ko election uwi ni a we ni we polling station agent na so wadwuma a obo ye no e so constituency for na ni a wo mo e beto aba ne be den e beto ama wo sa na
Felix 2024 ya to aba omwure fiem nko frank of omanko kere Japan ko dada afa kere Japan dada afa police station mo eduma no mo na mwure fiem frank of omanko mo ko jiji ska o kere Japan fo mo se mo fim ko
obi anko na onko obi anko so obi abobio e wo ho me da say se ma ku seze ma oda on no
Bra Felix, in Chiankoma obi biaro retain. In fact, in the Yimbiri, it is possible my baoba. And yeah, all the be. This is to what I know. My pobiara chap. You see, there's a reason why you win a bar or that I won't win. You have to be more reconciliatory, and there's a reason behind it. I am pleading we should now retreat and rather allow others to fire so that we can bring them together. The reason is that Ubia Warino or Pekwani bi or Pahodin Fufrubi we Jinado na Odidim Kwasiasem. And when they hear we attacking, it becomes the basis for their activity. Inti Masre, that approach, now that we are having doctor, I think we should retreat a bit and wait for them. Sister Edi, Mama, Sister Unity Michelle, we should hold our guns. Because Enyuma, say yes, young Kwasak coffee bean sima, a yimfi party numa, Yankasana ye. For example, Josie, let me give you one example. Members of Parliament, Wokoto Aba, we Professor Michael Kwe, they recorded a sports ballot. Nti yenko yuhanifima. You see, human institutions are very complex to the extent that sometimes, reason why people do certain things. But I mean, to sustain the stability that we have in the party, womenye nyina yenya abotar kakra. Now the strategy of NDC no we can tackle it. But asem mpa nka wode meeting kam kade yankasa MPP no yan party no the party is dehydrated or the mad yehu the party is dehydrated. In political science we find system atrophication. The system is atrophied. Yenya hodin the moon. The party is dehydrated in terms of personnel, in terms of resources. Kwancha de oyefeno wodi sika no wodi you. Chisia ye party a yegina hoi. Impayinfo na yedi yenwa 200 den ko be yi simpo na dama ma woda ye party adwuma. Wankasa party no. So the party is bare and it is possible wankasa isha party inti ye wompayinfo a wo sponsor ye na Dr. Bawumia election. Hwe people in the diaspora, their own efforts, their money, their time and resources. Bisole party no way. What were the structure of the party to support no way him fa? Nti moto tasre hono women nya botar kakra. Me assure that as and when the party takes shape, sa party no nya na hodini ginada. Some of these things can be tackled easily. But sisia no mecha wolenyi na hia yadroko. Mana na no kana sa mecha wolenyi womba na ba. Ya na yakapacha. But we can force people for all that we can. But if they say they won't do it, what can we do? Obi biara wankwankoto aba. This is the time we are appealing to you for the sake of this party. Boni biara obi da ya wono. Wo de fache. Can no kofia wo gudu was war for my badi. Me, that is the approach I have adopted. When you listen to them, asuma wakani nyanse nyim, but they are bruised. We pra into wakakan. Let's give them some time. And a two. Adibia so aye no so nyimpa rehwo say can no nkrofo no so what they adwon bone na what they yad na we Ghanaians are watching, other people are watching. I'm telling you one na when you start bebre woretwe won kakanka and there on platforms that they are now issuing threats what them empowerment nyina reka ho they ye dinsuo that we won't go back into obi obey bia mama come back. Why are they issuing that? Because when you do they can't sustain what they are doing. Yakoto aba can always sika wo wiase mu nyina also be me showdown party full many showdown afini supporters want azi what the cases nyina what the fra na mama bi anko they are in pains, but here we have an agenda until Dr. Bawumia is declared a winner. Say yam pon yezubo 2 forma yam fan 2 forma because ba fine only do ati ho inti ade a wo fa ni fizi Anfano, yana yejina ho. Inti say yamo kwam watch here kobofoma. They are destroying everything. Inti maponcha yem approach you know. Ye women tone down kakra so that we can appeal to them. On intina